Today is April 3rd. I've been working on getting the chimney knocked down. And literally, I just knocked it down with a pole. There are a couple of them here that's stuck to the roof that I couldn't get down. And then there are some on this side that I couldn't get to. It's not gonna be too dangerous now, and then I can go inside and start taking it down from inside. And they're gonna come and put a new roof on shortly, in about 9 days. The other thing I've been doing is removing the nails from these 1x3s that I took off the ceiling. The strapping, the old strapping will be reused for the ceiling strapping for drywall. So I'm just removing these big nails and the staples. Most of the wood that I took off is reusable. There are some that's pretty crappy and split, or just way too short to reuse. So I'm gonna make a pile of that to get rid of those. But I do have about 15 more pieces that I can nail and use. So yeah, that's pretty much all I've been doing all day. I got here around noon, started with the chimney. That took me forever because I did not want to go up on the roof. I'm afraid of height. And that's all that's been going on since last time, really, because we've been just so busy with other things. So when they do the roof, the new roof, they're gonna take down that chimney. And once they take that down, we can take the chimney down inside from the top. And that's gonna give us some space in the bathroom and also in the kitchen, dining room. And we're keeping this chimney here. It's probably gonna get serviced at one point, not right now, but it looks okay to me. I don't see any cracks or missing pieces or anything like that, so I think we're gonna be okay with this chimney. It looks fairly new. It would be nice to know when they built it, but it's sturdy for sure. We decided that we're not gonna keep the original wood floors. We tried to clean it. It stinks still. It's just so much pet urine. And also it's just some of the places it would have to be replaced anyway because it's so cracked and worn off and just bendy and spongy. So what we're gonna do is take up all the original wood floors in the house. And put down plywood subfloors, and on the top of that we'll get new floors. It's just really not worth to try to patch. I mean, it would be patched more than 50%, and that doesn't make any sense, and it's gonna be just easier and cleaner if we just lay down brand new plywood and go from there. And everything else is going to be drywall on the walls and on the ceilings. I had a contractor come out and he's going to be working on the framing and moving the walls and things like that. So replacing this door with a window and making a new door for the summer kitchen here. So it's gonna be tall enough for people. Also, plumbing will be redone. Of course, electric is gonna be all redone. So it's nothing major as far as progress, but I wanted to get this chimney down before they come and do the roof. Only because I said I would. And they charge $350 minimum to take a chimney down because they think it's gonna be hard. I'm paying for that above there, but it's only gonna be a little push and it's coming down. So anyway, it's a beautiful day to be out here to work on things. I moved some of this dirt that they had here from a previous garden bed that we took apart because it's kind of awkward where it is. And I did plant some flowers down here. Hopefully they'll come up now that spring is here, just to put something here. Although they're gonna probably dig a ditch for the electric somewhere around here, or maybe it's gonna be on the other side of this kitchen. But anyway, see you next time.